Chocolate spread is the hybrid between a cake and a sweetbread, so you can enjoy it as an upgraded snack or an easy dessert any time of the day. Let's bake easier! First, preheat the oven to 335 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour the bread pan, simply tap and rotate on the countertop. Finally, make hot coffee. I'm using espresso powder, but you can also use freshly brewed coffee as well. Just FYI, downloadable recipe for you and some good to know information. Making the batter is the easiest part. Step 1. Just add literally all ingredients in, except for the hot coffee. Beat for 30 seconds. Step 2. Steadily pour in the coffee while having the machine running on low. Once all is in, beat for just about 45 seconds. Scrape and stir. Done! That's it! Some taps to pop large bubbles and bake for 60 to 70 minutes. Once toothpick test is clear, let it cool in the pan for a couple minutes and it pops just dry out. Now that should be enough for an excellent chocolate bread, but to upgrade it to a cake, we have to have some topping. To make this irresistible chocolate sauce, simply heat up heavy cream in a small saucepan over medium heat. Let cook until it starts to bubble. Stir for about 5 seconds, then pour it over the chocolate chips. Lid on, let sit for about 3 minutes, then stir until well blended. It's that simple. It is so beautiful. Now the best time to enjoy on the first day is when the stress is still slightly warm, but for the best flavor and moistness, I say second day is the most spectacular. You can store it in room temperature for up to 2 days or in refrigerator for up to 5 days. I hope you like it, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to help out my small channel. Thank you so much and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.